Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen and in today's video I'm going to be trying the wet look on my hair. So I'm really nervous to do it, and I've actually wanted to do this style for a long time. Actually, since it was trending. It's not anymore. It was trending like a year ago, but I still figured why not try this style anyway and do something different. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how this style turns out on my hair, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video because you know you're gonna like it, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. I have a lot of little natural hairstyles up my sleeves, so you don't want to miss out. So make sure you turn on that post notification bell. Now that we got all that out of the way, let's get into the video. So I'll be doing this style on a freshly washed hair, and for the products I'll be using, I got this Style and Curl Defining Smooth and Hold Pudding, and then I also have this Wetline Extreme Gel. I've seen this gel used a lot for this style in particular, so I went ahead and picked it up, and I had it for a while because I've been wanting to do this style for a while now, but I have not yet used it, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I've already mixed the two products together to see if they would blend well. A key trick that you should use when mixing in products is if you mix it together and it comes out smooth, then it won't make your hair flake. If you mix it together and it comes out clumpy and chunky, then your hair will flake once it dries. So when I mixed these two together, it did not get all clumpy and nasty kind of texture. So that was a really good sign, and I'm glad about that because I wanted to use this for hydration and moisture, and then this is for the holding aspect of the hairstyle so that my curls come out extra defined. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using, and we're gonna just get right into it. So I've already pre-sectioned my hair in the 4 sections in the shower, and I just flat twisted them. So yeah, I'm probably going to separate these into probably 2 or 3 smaller sections so that I can really define my hair and get the product dispersed evenly, or as evenly as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back because I know that I want the front to kind of lay over the back. So that's what we're gonna start doing. And I'm just spraying regular water in my hair so that my hair is drenched, because we want these curls to be popping and for everything to hold really nicely. I'm gonna actually separate this back portion into 2 because I don't think I need to separate it into 3 or 4. And also, I'm not trying to be here all day, y'all, so yeah, I'm just gonna clip that right there and we're gonna get started. So this is how much product I'm taking on this section. Now I have my Tangle Free brush. It's basically a dupe of the Tangle Teaser, and I'm just detangling my hair while defining the curls as much as possible. I think I need more water. Alright, I think this section is good. I really want it to clump up, and now I'm going to take this Wetline gel. You probably can't even see how much I took, but just a little bit. And I'm going to primarily apply it on the roots. Alright, so the first section is done. Alright, so now that I'm on the front, I've taken out this front portion and I'm going to start parting it diagonally because I want to start slicking my hair to the back. This part will help me to start brushing my hair towards the back, and then when I get to the front part, it looks more like a swoop towards the back rather than being straight back or being straight to the side, because I don't really like the look of the wet look coming down on the sides and then back. So I like it all towards the back, so that's what I'm going for. Alright, so now that I'm starting to slick a lot of my hair down and it's getting thicker, I'm going to take these clips and I'm going to start clipping it down so that it stays down. And as I'm doing the other parts and these start to dry, it starts to dry flat. This part of my hair up here towards the crown is a looser texture, so I already know that slicking it down is going to be super easy. It's just the under parts that are thicker, like the back section and under my crown, so yeah. right, one side is down. Alright y'all, so now that I'm done with my hair, this is how it's looking. I have all the clips in place so that my hair doesn't poof up on top, because like I said, I want the top to lay as flat as it can possibly be, because that's what makes it look wet. That's what makes it the wet look. So yeah, this is how the back looks. So if you're interested in doing this style and you have a lower porosity hair, definitely use some warm or room temperature water. I think that helps a lot because it helps the hair to absorb the products and really get its defined shape. But yeah, now that I'm done with all that, I'm going to start doing my edges. So for today's look, I'm probably not going to do like dramatic edges, but I do want a couple little swirls or whatever. So I'm going to be using some Got2b glue gel. As you can see, there's literally almost nothing left in this little container, but this is a really strong hold gel. I would normally use Eco Styler gel. If you know, are subscribed to my channel, you already know I love the Eco Styler gel, but because my hair is already wet, I don't think that it will really hold down my edges and stay in place. So that's why I'm going to use this stronger gel. So yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on top of my hair so that I don't have any flyaways as well. And to do my edges, I just used a trusty dusty handy dandy toothbrush. I really want to try an edge brush though, you know, the ones with the brush on one end and the comb on the other, because I've seen people using those and their swirls and swoops and everything they like to do with their edges just comes out so perfectly. So if you use an edge brush and you like have a holy grail one, you know, one that is perfect, good price, you know, just works perfectly for you, please let me know where I can find it in the comments, because that would be so helpful, because I really want to try an edge brush. I'm just, you know, kind of tired of the same old toothbrush. I want to see how an edge brush will work, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with using a toothbrush. I just want to try something different. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know, like, you know, if you have any suggestions, if you want to help your girl out, you know, help me step up my little edge game, then, you know, you can by just putting a suggestion in the comments. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start doing my edges now. And for my little swirlies that I like to do on my sideburns, I'm going to take some more of the Wetline Extreme Gel, just so that they curl up, because usually when I use Got2b glue, it's so strong that it just makes it straight and it will not curl at all. So I'm just going to use this so that my hair is a nice little curl right where my sideburns are. So now that my hair is completely dry and styled, this is what it looks like, y'all. I'm so happy about the results. I'm kind of mad that I didn't try it sooner because I could have had these bomb results way sooner, but that's okay. Better late than never. But yeah, look at this definition, y'all. It's so defined, and it's also flowy and bouncy, which I didn't think would be the case because I thought it would be really stiff, crunchy, weird looking and feeling, but that's definitely not it. I'm really excited about this style. Let me know if you've ever tried this style, or if you want to, if you would, you know, rock this, because I definitely see myself doing it again in the future. It's so pretty. But yeah, that concludes this video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did and you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do?